Ever wondered why astronauts can't burp in space? It's not because they're too polite. Here's the mind-blowing truth. In space's microgravity, there's no up or down for your stomach contents. On Earth, gas floats to the top, making it easy to burp out. But in space, it's all mixed up. Gas and liquid become a bubbly cocktail that just won't separate. So astronauts are stuck with this gassy mixture. Imagine feeling bloated 24/7. This isn't just a fun fact, it's a real challenge for space travelers. Next time you burp, thank gravity for making it possible.